on a nigga, full flex. White gold, diamond rolling rent stress.
So for this look, I would not be using any primer because my primer dried out. So I was doing the powder before foundation routine. I use my Arista powder. I'm going to apply the 2 areas of my face that gets oily. I'm just pressing that powder in so that it absorbs all the oils. You know, and try to get everywhere in each and every nook and cranny. So I'm taking my Black Opal foundation stick in the shade Carob, and I'm going to apply that to my face. You know, with some tribal stripes. And you want to make sure to get your neck and under your neck. What? I'm taking my Slappy brush and number 8 to blend up my foundation, and I think next time I would be wetting this brush to blend up my foundation, especially this type of foundation. So we're just blending away. And this is the umpteenth time that I've tried to do this voice over, and I'm not going to do it again, so bear with it. And this is the last pre-recorded video that I have, you know, because the video before this and the video before that video, they were on the same day, just uploaded them on different days. So this is the last one, and I'm hoping to create more content that is fun and enjoyable. Just going back in on the areas that I see needed more and applying that there. You know, I'm also trying to get more equipment. I know I said it in the last video, but yeah, I'm trying to get more equipment so that I can do what I have to do. And as I said before as well, ignore the lace. Nothing new. And I was so pissed that I'm going in with my LA Pro Contour Kit, and I'm taking the highlighted shade, and I'm playing that with my concealer brush. And I'm also winging, you know, that effect that I told about with my eyeshadow, that I wing it. Yeah, I cut that out as well, or defined it, as I should say. I'm taking my beauty blender, it's not damp or anything, and I found it to blend up my highlighter very well. Concealer, sorry, Lord. So you want to make sure that you blend properly and there's no line of demarcation. Then you just want to fade everything in and blend everything well together so it looks like one. Now I'm going with my dual binding cack. I'm using the darker shade to contour with, and down. Look at this. I dabbed it too much, but nevertheless I'm gonna correct it in whichever way I can. You know guys, and don't be afraid to comment and tell me types of videos that you would like me to do, you know, the ones that you like watching. You could also comment and tell me if you would like me to do them as well. And you see this, don't use no big brush, contour your nose, use something small. Ridiculous man, use something small for contour your nose. Don't be lazy like me. So when I check everything, and you need to contour your forehead. And whichever way you like to contour your forehead, just contour your forehead or your forehead. Okay, now see for in the light, I'm going with my L'Oreal True Match in the shade Cocoa or C8, and I'm applying that to the highlighted areas of my face, or where I highlighted. You see right there, look, let me just undo everything I just did on my nose, but don't worry. Don't worry, no time. Yeah, and ignore the monkey faces too. Once in a while you need to do that. Yeah, get it? Make me know what I'm party. But yeah, nevertheless, make sure you get everything in. Make sure you press in the powder. Now I'm going in with my HD Flawless Foundation Powder in the shade Mocha. I'm just gonna put that all over, as well as to correct. I went in heavily with the contour powder. See it there? I'm brushing with the hair that was on my face. And just merge everything together, make everything look like one. Just let me further the cousin, my chin or the uncle. I'm taking this highlighter slash bronzer, but I don't use it as a bronzer. You know, they were in beads and I crushed them up to make a powder. So I'm just applying that. And then the same palette that broke, I took 2 shades out of that and applied those as highlighters. Hey. On the nose, the lips, forehead, your chin, yeah, the bridge of my nose too, yeah, and the chin. So yeah guys, that would be it. After this I would apply my setting spray from Magic Collection, but I wasn't going anywhere, so I didn't apply any. But if I was going somewhere, definitely I would apply my setting spray. So hope you guys enjoy. Comment, like, subscribe, and definitely comment. Make sure you comment, you know, and tell me what you like and stuff like that. Also follow me on my social medias, that will be in the description box down below. See you guys next time.